What's up, everybody? This is Danny from the Shirley Boy Productions. So it is 5:55 in the morning, Sunday. They're supposed to have the show Saturday at Johnny's, but there's a chance of rain yesterday, and of course, it didn't rain at all yesterday. It's set for like 2 hours, but they could have had a car show, but things like that happen. It was a 70% chance. But I was planning on taking both of these, but one person that usually drives this, when I take both of them to places, he's busy, and the other boy that was supposed to drive it this morning doesn't feel good, which is all right. Things happen. So I don't know which one I want to take. I want to take that one, but then again, I want to take that one because that one's older and it's cleaner. Technically, it's cleaner than that one, pretty much. But I'm leaning more towards taking the black one. So OBS is gonna stay home. I'm gonna take the black one because I haven't took it to a show in a while. I'm not gonna win anything. There's nicer vehicles there than me. But yeah, catch y'all there. Peace.
Literally no point.
We're here.
Oh, wow, okay. Thanks.
Brandon's slacking.
There you go, that camera shit. There you go, that camera shit. And then you get all up in somebody's face with it. That's how you got Tyler's ass at times.
Yeah.
That's how you got Tyler's face. That shit's wild to me.
YouTube did that, not me.
Yeah, nah, you did that. You zoomed in on my man's face.
Just trying to overheat. Fan ain't working.
Stupid.
Lead ball. Fuck a lead ball.
No, we
Are you
don't.
allowed to cuss on YouTube? Bye.
You can't. That's why I don't know why you keep
Well,
I don't know why you keep up with
these wheels are dirty, Brandon.
Fuck
You just cussed.
you. Not my channel.
Oh, wow.
Father man.
Greg out here blowing ass.
Look,
For YouTube.
shit. Man, fuck.
Yeah, he's talking about getting monetized.
Wow.
Fuck YouTube.
Brandon's a hoe. Yeah, that's not facing towards you.
Where's that?
You.
Oh!
Hey,
I'm about to hot dog. No.
how you feeling, Brandon?
Shut up.
Yep. Greg's about to blow out. So that's the end of Johnny's. That was a good time. See Brandon in front of me. Heading back to our area. Was a good time. Wish I brought both of my trucks, but it is what it is. Hopefully next year I can bring them, but there'll be more shows where I can probably bring both of them. But yeah, it was a good time. Got to see a lot of people I haven't seen in a while. Truck, I didn't win anything. I don't care about that. And yeah, so until next time, catch y'all to the next one. Peace.